Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can deactivate your Instagram account. The first thing we are going to do is open our Instagram account here. And we go to our live and we can see three lines. Here we can see press account center and press personal details. We have the personal details and account ownership and control, deactivation or delete. Select your profile and we can see the option deactivate account. It is temporarily and it means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactive it through account center. Press continue and enter your password, and that's all guys. In my case I don't want to deactivate my Instagram, but you see, and thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.